Introduction to syncing wearables with family health apps.
Wearable devices, like smartwatches and fitness bands, can track steps, sleep, and heart rate. By syncing them with family health and parental well-being apps, you can monitor the health of all family members in one place. This helps parents and caregivers keep track of their loved one's wellness, making it easier to spot trends or issues early.
Choosing the right devices and apps.
Start by making sure your wearable devices are compatible with your chosen family health or parental well-being app. Popular wearables like Fitbit, Apple Watch, and Garmin often connect with major health apps. Check for features such as multiple user profiles, real-time syncing, and parental controls to best support your family's unique needs.
Connecting your wearables to the app.
Download the Companion app for your wearable on your smartphone or tablet. Enable Bluetooth and open the Family Health app. Look for options like Add Device or Connect Wearable. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually include signing into your wearable account and granting permission for health data access.
Setting up profiles for each family member.
Most family health apps allow you to create separate profiles for each person, including children. After syncing the wearable, assign it to the correct profile. This way, each family member's health data, like steps, activity, and sleep, is kept organized and private, helping parents oversee their children's well-being without mixing up information.
Using data for health and well-being insights.
Once your wearables are connected, explore the dashboard of your parental well-being app. You can track trends in physical activity, sleep patterns, and more across family members. Many apps offer reminders, goal setting, and alerts for unusual data, all of which help families support each other's health and well-being in a connected, proactive way.
Troubleshooting and privacy tips.
If syncing fails, ensure your device is updated and check app permissions. Restart both the wearable and your phone if needed. For privacy, review the app's settings to control data sharing and account security. Always talk with your family, especially children, about what information is being tracked and how it is used.